students, today we will going to discuss about the management functions part 2, because previously we have discussed about the planning and organizing. Today we will going to discuss about the directing, right? So directing means is nothing but guiding and leading the people in an organization. It is not just giving the instructions by the superior or the supervisor to the subordinates, but also in the process of supervising, guiding and motivating the leader to achieve the organizational goals. Now, what is the importance of directing? Directing includes initiates the action to get the desired result in the organization, attempts to get the maximum output, maximum out of the employees by identifying their capabilities, essential to keep the elements like supervision, motivation, leadership and communication effective. Another one is that every employee work for the organizational goals. Organization is possible through the effective decisions, and stability and the balance can be achieved through the directing. So this is what the directing means. Now let's come up to the staffing. What staffing means? In the simplest term, staffing is something to put people in the jobs. Like staffing is the function by which the managers build an organization through the recruitment, selection, development of the individuals as capable employees. Now, the importance of the staffing is to filling the organizational positions, developing the competencies to the challenges, retaining the personal's professionalism, output, utilization of the human resources, optimum utilization of the human resources. Now the next one is controlling. Controlling means is the process of ensures whether the resources are obtained and the used effectively or efficiently in the achieving the organizational objectives or not. So the definition of controlling is determining what is being accomplished. This is evaluating the performance and if necessary applying the corrective measures or the actions for checking out the performances and take the corrective measures accordingly, right? So these are the things which are these are the certain functions of the management which I have already discussed with you. I hope you like this session. If you are having any kind of query or the doubt, please do let me know, students. I'll definitely try to sort your problems in the next session or in the live session as well. Thank you so much, students.